Happy birthday to Rachel. Happy birthday to Rachel. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Not me. Tell her brother I said hi. Hi. Come on. Zoom. 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 Look at the light now. There'll be a blue light. Oh, Rachel, would you want to wake up to this face every morning? I'm going crazy. If it's your face, then we're walking to Allie's house. I can't see anything. It's dark. It's dark, but look at the sky. Melanie, what are you doing? 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 I'm watching the water filter. Makeup so good. Look at Allie's door. You can see it. Oh. Like a retard. Oh, it's Jesse McCartney. That's love, Melanie. Look how short you are compared to Jamie. Melanie, this is terrible. This is seriously. I'm doing it.